Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get or find a promo code for Universal Studios. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, on your mobile, even your laptop or PC, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and then type in Universal Studios promo code. And then you've got a whole list of different results from here, but one I like to use is called don'tpayfull.com. So if you want 50% off Universal Orlando promo code, click into it. And now you might need to go for a captcha to get into the website. So just click on verify. And now once you're here, you can see a whole different list of different coupon or promo codes to use. So to activate any one of these, what you can do is, for demonstration, I'm going to click on the 50% off. So click on the 50% off. And then from here, you want to copy this code here, like so, and then paste this at the checkout section of Universal Studios to activate that 50% off that order. And sometimes with these coupon codes, they might expire. So if one expires, just move on to the next coupon code and find one that works.